Hi, I'm Shibangi,
Hello, I'm Abhinav.
and you must have seen us on campus last year taking classes for 7th and 8th standard, teaching them a subject called Learning from Cinema. We watch movies together and we try and learn from the various things that movies have to offer us, along with a few technical things about movies themselves.
We all know that we watch cinema to get entertained, to get excited. But when we are in these classes, we watch cinema and we talk about what we think is happening, how we feel about these characters that are on screen, and how we would be able to relate to them. So this is a little going beyond the cinema that you watch in theater, and probably at the end of it, trying to get some learning from the films that we watch.
So, what we really want you to do right now is, although we would have liked to meet you for the first time face to face and give you a proper introduction of ourselves and what we teach, but because the situation is not the perfect one right now, we have to make do with the best choice that is available to us. That is an online mode of communication. So, what we would like to do you to do is go through this small list of films that we have selected for you to watch, and once you have watched them, we have given you some very few points to ponder upon.
To put it very simply, watch these fantastic films. They might be a little different from what you watch it in theaters, how you probably think about those characters, and when you're done watching them, you can have discussions with your friends, with your family, if your family has the time for it. And more importantly, as we are discussing these films, it's about getting to know what we are thinking about what we have seen on screen. So get into the discussion, get to know what you're thinking about, and then share it with us as per a very small assignment that we have put down in the link that will be shared with you.
So, and we are always open to your questions and your feedback. We have shared our email address with you in a short document where we have shared details of the movies also. Please feel free to write to us and share your feedback, and if any questions that you may have, we are always available to answer your questions. See, because unless you ask for help, we will not understand where we are lacking behind, where we are lagging behind, and how we can help you.
So let's try and go beyond a little bit of entertainment to those spaces within our minds, to the places where we have conversations with each other, and to get to know how we feel, what we feel about.
Just one short note. We also have created a small package of short films, 3 short films, which is among the list of movies that you can watch for getting introduced to this subject. I suggest you start with those films first and take them one by one so that you understand how to manage these classes and how to understand these movies.
The short note also contains some pointers on how to watch these films, what are the thoughts that you need to have. If you feel there is any complication, please reach out to us, please send us an email, or well, before even you do that, if you think the people around you are have the time for it, have a conversation with them, have a discussion with them.
And we look forward to meeting you in class as soon as possible. Let's hope this situation ends soon and it is safe for all of us to come back to classrooms. You must be missing your school, you must be missing your friends and your teachers. We miss you all too, and we're very eager to come back.
Happy viewing, and let's hope to meet soon.
Thank you.
Take care.